Hello students of class 5, hope you are all doing well. So as in the previous video we was doing the problem sums from the chapter vulgar fraction. So we will be continuing those sum only. So in the previous chapter I have discussed the first and the second sum. So let's discuss now the third sum. Okay, so we will discuss now the third sum. Okay, so what is the third sum? It has been said how many times the difference between 3 by 4 and 1 by 10 may be subtracted from the sum of 1 whole 3 by 5 and 2 whole 3 by 10. So first we need to find the difference between 3 by 4 and 1 by 10. So difference between 3 by 4 and 1 by 10 is will be how much? 3 by 4 minus 1 by 10. So the LCM of 4 and 10 is 20. So this will be 50. If I this is okay, so 515 minus this is 2, so this will be 13 by 20. Okay, now we need to find the sum of what? 1 whole 3 by 5 and 2 whole 3 by 10, that is 8 by 5 and this one is 23 by 10. So the LCM will be how much? 10. So if I divide this and multiply 2, then we get 16 and this is 23 only. So we will get how much? 39 by 10. So remember this, the difference is 13 by 10 and the summation is 39 by 10. Okay, now we have to subtract. Here it is said that we are how many times the difference between 3 by 4 and 1 by 10 may be subtracted from the sum. So from this sum we have to subtract this. Okay, so the difference of 39 by 10 minus this is 13 by 20, right? So this is okay, no, sorry, it has been said that how many times the difference between 3 by 4 and 1 by 10 may be subtracted from the sum, that is the difference between difference between 3 by 4 and 1 by 10, this whole thing multiplied by something, say x, equals to, will give the sum of these two numbers, that is 8 by 5 and 23 by 5. Okay, so what was the difference? The difference was how much? 13 by 20 into, we are considering the how many times we are considering that x, and this is 39 by 10, right? This is 39 by 10. So x will be how much? 39 by 10 into 20 by 13. So if I cancel this out, I will get 6. So 6 times we have to multiply this difference to get this sum. So the answer will be 6. Okay, I hope this is clear. This is a bit tricky sum. Okay, so you need to read the sum first minutely, then you can able to do the sum, otherwise you will make mistake. Okay, so this is the uh, mm, third number sum which I have discussed. Okay, so this much for this video. We will continue in the next video. Thank you.